What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, I have a package from DHL, my favorite courier here, and I think this came from Hubsan actually, so that's a hint. This is probably going to be Hubsan related. Got the Blue Alien on deck. Let's get right in here and see what this is. What the heck did they send me here? As I guess this from Hubsan. Look, need Blue Alien for this. They sent me. Hold on. A sec, let's get this out of here. Okay, so it's a nice transmitter in here. The upgraded transmitter for the Hubsan H501S. I was looking forward to this. Let me get the antenna. Has a panel antenna on one side. Let me get that screwed on. So nice transmitter here to fly the Hubsan quads with. Pretty awesome. Looking forward to trying this thing out. Looks like a screw is holding it down. I don't like that. Well, let's set that to the side and see what Hubsan is in here. Looks like something small. Okay, so this is the Hubsan H502E. Hubsan X4 Desire. So this is the brother or sister of the Hubsan H502S. This is the version without the GPS and all. Well, I'm sorry, it has GPS. This is the version without the FPV. So we've seen this before, the same body style and all, but a smaller transmitter. I don't know about this transmitter. We have a different transmitter on it. And so we have spare props. That's awesome. I can use these props to sort of decorate or set my H502S up with orientation. And here's that battery, the flat battery. We got a screwdriver in here and some screws. And a USB charging cable. Awesome. Instructions manual in there. So there's an instructions manual. Looks like the same exact one that comes with the H501 502S. Same exact one. A little page here explaining how to calibrate the compass. And a warning. So you guys can definitely expect some flight footage of this. And we're going to definitely check this thing out at night. And we're going to do maybe a quick review and maybe a full review. The Hubsan H502E Desire. Thanks for watching.